guys, it's Tanoa. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing my own tape-ins. As you can probably tell by the title, they will be tape-ins from this brand called Curlsqueen, and this is my first time doing tape-ins, period. So I'm very curious on how it's gonna turn out, and yeah. But yeah, my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned, and I just have it in this t-shirt right here to kind of soak up all the water because I don't want it to be extremely wet whenever it's time for styling. But I'm just gonna start unboxing the things that are in this box. I almost don't want to open it because it looks so cute. Like, it looks so cute. Yeah. But yeah, here I go. Oh, I guess I could just slide it off. Ooh, my favorite color is pink, so this is just chef's kiss. Like, as soon as I open the box opens like this, and this is what I see. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Hold on, let me put this down. So we have this bag right here, and it has a brush, which is really cute, and I'm really happy because I really like these brushes because they are great at detangling. We have these clips, comb. I'm guessing these are, oh, it's a Velcro thingy. I'm not sure what it's for, but yeah, we have that. And a cute little envelope. Oh my goodness. The envelope just has like these. I'm not sure what they're for, but we have that. And then we have a bonnet, and I'm so happy. It has a drawstring with it, and I'm so happy because like I needed a new bonnet, so this is perfect. I was literally about to buy a new bonnet, and now I have one and don't have to buy another one. So thank you, Curlsqueen. Yeah. And then in this bag right here, we have the hair, the tape-ins. Okay. It's a lot. It's a good amount. 2 bundles of tape-ins right here. This, I don't remember what texture this is, but I will leave the information, all the information, period, will be in the description box below. All right then, let's get started. So I'm just gonna take this off. I've had the deep conditioner in for maybe like 3 days, which isn't good, but this is what my hair is looking like. I'm gonna actually blow dry my hair first, and then I'll be back to install the tape-ins and do all of that. But I'm gonna blow dry my hair first because this is just not gonna work with curly hair, because as you can see, my hair is it smells really good, but my hair is it's just not gonna work. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and then I'll be back.
Not really sure how to say this. Seriously trying to erase this, but I can't seem to get you out. I'm not exactly.
Okay, so now that my hair is all blowed out and detangled and stuff, I'm just gonna start parting it and start the whole tape-in process. So this is what the individual tape-ins. Oh, this is so cool. This is very intriguing to me because I've never actually really heard of tape-ins nor seen them being done. So this is very, very intriguing for me. But this is what they look like. It's only one side that has the sticky part, and then the back is just regular, as you can see. But yeah, I'm really excited.
Okay, so I did end up lightly blow drying the tape-in so they could match my hair better, and that was just a little side by side of the before and after. I also did pre-part my hair and would highly recommend doing so just to make the process go by a little faster and for an easier install. So as you're seeing now, I'm just taking each section and applying a tape-in above and below, and you're basically just sandwiching your hair in between the tape-ins. However, two things I do want to mention and stress when installing these tape-ins are to: one, make sure you're not putting too much of your hair in between the tape-ins, because then they will not like stick properly and will probably fall off, and you just don't want that. Also, two, please make sure you're not putting them too close to your scalp, because it will cause like discomfort or be painful, and let me tell you, you do not want that. So yeah. And this is how the back looks fully finished. I did leave the perimeter of my hair free and didn't apply the tape-ins too close to the perimeter so that they wouldn't be seen. You know, if I pulled my hair back into a bun, put in a ponytail, a pineapple, like for any of those styles, like if I chose to do them, I didn't want like the tape-ins showing. And for the front, I'm basically doing the same exact thing. And also for each row, I only placed one tape in so that my hair wouldn't be too thick. I already have like a lot of hair on my head, but if you have less hair, and your hair density is less than mine, then you can go ahead. You could probably fit like maybe 2 or 3 tape ins within each section, but I only put one because my hair was already thick enough. And also, this is how my hair looks with the tape ins fully installed. I honestly was kind of shocked because they blended really well with my hair, and I sure did. I went out with my hair in this afro state, and let me tell y'all, I got so many compliments, and like a lot of people thought that it was my real hair. Like even my friends who have seen my hair down, they were like, girl, like did your hair grow overnight? Like no. But yeah, like it looks very, very believable. You can do a high bun, half up, half down look, a side part, middle part, like you have a lot of options. And I was actually trying to find my side part in that last clip because I did leave some extra hair out, but I couldn't find it. But anyways, for the styling part, I ended up braiding my hair to go to sleep because it was getting really late and I was tired. So here I am just taking out each braid and then rebraiding them with a little bit of gel and some mousse to do a braid out.
It's
Okay, I'm back after 4 long days of my hair still wet. It is finally dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these braids out because I'm actually very excited to see just like how they look, how the curls hold, and just all that. I'm excited to have my hair out, period. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, but first I'm gonna go ahead and actually cut these off, like the straight pieces off of the ends real quick, just so that it looks more clean and just better, because I don't want no straight ends at the end of my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and just snip them off because I don't need them. Oh my goodness, you guys, this looks, is my hair not dry? It is. It's just cold in here, which is why I'm wearing a little jacket, but it scared me for a little bit. Ooh, jump scare. And this is the final result. Need I say more? Need I say more? Like, this is just so beautiful. Like, the definition is there. Like, I do have like a little bit of product buildup in the front, but that's gonna go away over time. And yeah, it blends so well with my natural hair. It was very easy to maintain and stuff. And yeah, like, you can't tell where my hair ends. You can't tell where my hair stops. You can't tell me that this is not my hair. And the body, like, it's just so, the body, it's just so beautiful. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.